Thank you for tuning in tonight to our special show. Tonight is extra special because it's the last episode of the Clever Kids Cooking Show. Before we get to learning and introduce to the children, let's take a look back at the journey that they have taken.
Your fingers. How is shopping today?
Hello, my name is Chef Thomas. My favorite food is kimbap. I love my kimbap. Hello, my name is Chef Bishop. My favorite food is noodles. I like to make noodles. Hello, my name is Tommy. Chef Tommy. My favorite food is pizza. I like to make pizza. Hello, my name is Chef Gonjon. My favorite food is chicken. I like to eat chicken. My name is Chef Minji. My favorite food is kimbap. I like to eat kimbap. This is Chef Claire. She has a sore throat. She likes to eat bread. Hello, my name is Chef Jasmine. I like to make kimbap. I like to make kimbap. Hello, my name is Chef David. My favorite food is ramen. I like to eat ramen. My favorite food is kimchi. I like to make kimchi. Hello, my name is Chef Rachel. My favorite food is chicken. I love to eat chicken.
Students, are you ready?
Yes, we are, Chef.
And what will you be making this evening? Pardon me? What will you be making? 3, 2, 1, cooking show, action! Are you ready? Students, are you ready?
Yes,
Would you like to serve your food?
yes,
3, 2, 1, action! Now to the studio audience, we would like you to taste the worms on the bun after the show outside in the corridor. Thank you.